Okay, Chronbach's Alpha reliability test. So this one is a measure of internal consistency ng ano? Well, ng tinatawag na survey questionnaire. Bakit? Kasi nga ang ating survey questionnaire pwedeng researcher made. Pag researcher made ang questionnaire natin, kailangan required talaga na dumaan siya sa reliability test. At kadalasan ang acceptable or bystander in research ay ang statistics ng Cronbach's Alpha. Okay, so ngayon ay pag-aaralan natin how do we use this formula to arrive at a generalization if our survey questionnaire is considered um, reliable and with internal consistency. Ibig sabihin, pwede siyang acceptable, no? So, alam naman natin, ang ating mga survey questionnaire ay nakadesign na kung saan ang magiging mga options to answer ay naka-Likert scale. Kunyari, dito nga, you have your strongly disagree, which is normally 1. Disagree is 2. Neutral is 3. Agree is 4. Strongly agree is 5. So, nakadesign siya ng 5-point Likert scale. Okay? Kasi meron rin naman na 3, may 4, may 5, may 6, may 7. Pero standard ay 5. Pero hindi ko sinasabing mali rin yung iba. Ang sinasabi ko, standard ay 5. Ibig sabihin, you have 5 options to answer. Okay? Para malaman din, sabi niya, dahil naka-multiple choice, no, na question, Likert scale surveys lagi yan. If you would notice, may sample tayo na statement. No? Kasi sinasabi natin, this one is a survey questionnaire, pero sir, hindi siya naka-question. It is in a form of a statement. Ang tawag statement indicator. Okay? Kunyari yan, no? Napansin nyo, academic detailing is a useful form of education that aligns providers prescribing behavior with evidence-based practice. Ito ay isang uri ng statement tapos hihingan ka ng kasagutan kung ikaw ay mag-strongly disagree or hanggang sa strongly agree. Just choose one, of course. So yan ang ibig sabihin yan. Kasi marami nagtatanong, sir, ano ba itsura ng survey questionnaire? Well, naka-statement indicators. Hindi naka-question mark yan. Ngayon, how many statement indicators? Depende sa variable ng iyong theory. Okay? Depende sa variable ng inyong theory. I hope you understand. If your variables is like 5 variables, minimum of 3, maximum of 5 at least. So, ibig sabihin, 5 times 3, that is 15. At least 15 statement indicators. For every 3 statements, it measures one particular variable. Or, pag nag-college kayo, this is what I could say, per variable, 5 statement indicators and requirement if it is a researcher-made questionnaire. Pero again, na-allow ko ang ang guided ang valid and tested survey questionnaire na. Ibig sabihin, survey questionnaire used by other researchers, pwede 'yon. Pero ang tanong, sir, dadaan pa ba namin ng Chronbach Alpha? Yes, dadaan mo pa rin. Ano ibig sabihin? We have to pre-test our survey questionnaire for at least 20 respondents minimum. Okay? So maghanap ka ng 20 respondents na possibly na pwedeng sumagot ng survey questionnaire mo at yung nakakaintinding magbasa, no, ng survey questionnaire mo, then let them answer. Then kukunin natin yung data, yung sagot nila. Okay? Paano? Ito na. So on Cronbach's Alpha ay may formula na alpha is equals to nakalagay dyan, no, is the number of test item muna divided by number of test item minus 1 multiplied by the quantity of 1 minus summation or the sum of the item variance divided by the variance of the total score. So yan yung formula. And then once you get the answer from this formula, ang titignan mo naman ay yung interpretation ng Chronbach Alpha. So if you get below 0.5, that is unacceptable. 0.5 to 0.59, poor daw ang inyong survey questionnaire. 0.6 to 0.69, questionable. 0.7 to 0.79, acceptable. 0.8 to 0.89, good. 0.9 and above, excellent. But may tanong dito. Kasi, sir, what if we got 1.0? Oh, that is excellent. Pero ang problema, pag 1.0 kasi, ah, parang nangyari yung mga statement indicators mo paulit-ulit. So, ibig sabihin, may error pa rin. Okay? So, mas maganda yung nasa gitna na kaysa medyo lumampas ka sa 0.99. I hope you understand my point. Now, sige, mag-sample tayo ng calculation. Ito yung sample calculation natin. Let us say, since you are HE, let us say, mini-measure nyo or ina-assess ninyo ang food quality ng Jollibee Foods, no? Ng Jollibee. And you wanted to assess the operation of Jollibee. And one of that ay yung food quality nila. Okay, kasi marami palang operation yan, di ba? So from food, yung service, di ba? Yung service, ano pa? Cleanliness, yung sanitation nila. O yan. Okay. Kasi FSC yan eh. Food Service and Cleanliness. O yan. So, for example, nag-develop ka ng 4 na statement indicators para sa variable na food quality ng Jollibee. Ito yung mga statement mo. The food was served hot and fresh. The menu had an excellent selection of items. And then the next one, and then the next one. So, ngayon, ito yung survey questionnaire mo, no, for food quality muna. Of course, dapat marami yan. Tapos you have 6 respondents muna. Let us say 6 respondents. Pero ang minimum ng pretest ay ano ha, ay 20. No? Lalo sa college, 20 talaga. So ngayon, senior high, siguro 10 would be our minimum. Pero yung iba, sinabihan ko ng 20. Kasi ang kanilang mga respondents aabot ng 100 plus. Okay? So kayo, pwede sigurong 10. Now, ito na. So ang sagot nila ay 1 to 5, di ba? Yung 1 yung strongly disagree and yung 5 yung strongly agree. Tapos, ay ito yung mga sagot nila. So tinali mo at sinulat mo. So si respondent 1, sinulat niya sa item 1, 3, and then item 2, 3 again, then item 3 is 3, then item 4 is 2. Ayan. So lahat inilagay mo. Lahat nilagay mong ganyan. Okay? Now, ano ang susunod na process mo? You have to get the variance of each item. Ito yon. Sa ilalim niyan, variance of each item. Okay, so what are you going to do is simply equals, type mo equals variance or bar, then quantity of the entire answer of respondents 1 to 6 for item number 1. Pag nakuha mo na yan, i-drag mo na lang yung Excel mo. Okay? Para makuha mo na from item 1 to 4. O, nakuha mo na yung variance niyan, lahat ng item. Tapos, dito naman sa kabila, you have to get the total score muna. So, simply sum mo muna lahat from item 1 to 4 for each of the respondents. I-sum mo. So, nakuha mo na, i-total mo lang lahat, no? Per respondent. Tapos, dito sa ilalim, um, kunin mo yung variance ng lahat ng total score. So again, parehas lang. Equals mo yung variance, then quantity of the entire total score from respondent 1 to 6. Okay na. So nakuha mo na yan, table na yan. Pagkatapos niyan, pwede mo nang gamitin ang tinatawag na you may substitute the data into the formula. So paano natin kukunin? Una, yung number of test item divided by the number of item minus 1. So, ito yon. So, ang items natin, ibig sabihin, ilan ang statement indicators natin? 4. Therefore, that is your K divided by K minus 1. So, 4 minus 1 yung ilalim. Therefore, 4 divided by 3. So, lalabas 1.333. No? And then, get the sum of the total variance. So, simply, kunin mo lahat ng sum ng total variance. Ito yung nasa ilalim, no? If you would see, no, dito sa resulta natin, lahat ng 'yan ay mga variance natin per items. Just simply add mo lang daw sila. So you get 2.9. Pagkatapos, kunin mo naman yung variance of the total score. So nakuha mo na 'yon. Ito na yung kanina. Okay, yung 7.77. Now, pwede na nating computein ang alpha. Okay, using the formula, if you would notice, no, equals lang natin, okay? So, the number of test item divided by the number of item minus 1 is 1.33. Then, multiply by the quantity of 1, naka-formula naman na, minus yung 2.9 or the sum of the item variance, and then divided by yung 7.77, which is the variance of the total score. So, lalabas, it's 0.84. Tapos, titignan mo na yung interpretation mo. Ano ba ibig sabihin niyan? So, pumapasok siya sa 0.82, 0.89, which is good. Therefore, ang internal consistency ng survey questionnaire mo ay good. Therefore, acceptable pa siya. Okay? Ang hindi lang naman kasing tinatanggap yung questionable, poor, and unacceptable. Mula acceptable, paakyat, pasok pa rin yan. So, pwede siya. And yung resulta ng ginawa mong Chronbach Alpha ay ipepresent rin yan sa Chapter 3. Kasama yan sa Chapter 3. So, ngayon pa lang, tinuturo ko na for you to use this on your pre-testing. Okay?